Hello, welcome back. The topic today is the gut health and mental health, the relationship between gut health and mental health. We all know the brain is the main structure that controls the whole body through the nervous system and the neurotransmitters and the hormones, they control the whole body. And our brain also controls the gastrointestinal tract or the gut system, starting from the mouth to anus. We all know the longest nerve in the body is called vagus nerve. That is from the brain, it goes down all the way down to the rectal region. So that can control the gut. This not only the gut movements and everything, even the acid secretions and everything. The same way, the gut health is also very important to the brain because it sends a lot of signals to the brain. Especially even we have enteric nervous system, the central nervous system we all know. The enteric nervous system, ENS, it gives feedback to the brain, and so the mental health or the equilibrium of the body even is decided by the enteric nervous system. So that is why probably you would have heard with the word, I looked at that, I panicked, once they get panicked, they may feel, sometimes they say, I felt like vomiting, nauseated. Some people will say, I felt butterflies in my stomach. I felt some wrenching pain. When they get some panic, fear, they can cause, wrenching or the, pain, all these things. And suppose somebody has the exam times, the loss of appetite will be there. They feel like nausea all the time, or they pass motion, frequent motions. So the mental health really affects the gut health. The other way around, the gut health also, suppose somebody has a chronic abdominal pain, it gives signals to the brain, I'm suffering. So they can get into depression, anxiety. Suppose somebody has a, irritable bowel syndrome, diarrhea type, they won't go out, whenever they want to go out or they want to go to the interview and all, they feel, but the brain gives signals, the brain is affected, so they, give signal to pass motion. So they may get more panic, they get more anxiety, they get more this thing, and through the nervous system is one part. The second part is through the gut flora. There are good bacteria. There are good bacteria in the gut system, the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large, and each one has their own set of good bacteria. There is a balance between good and bad bacteria. These probiotics are the good bacteria. They are the one. They decide your mental health. They control the neurotransmitter. They even say what movie or you are going to watch or whom you are going to vote. All these things decided by the gut bacteria. So much said about the gut flora, which can control the brain, even the thinking process. Even in the gut flora, helps you to solve problems, to make a very balanced decisions. So the gut and brain axis, we call that, or the gut health and mental health are interdependent. In fact, they are in the symbiotic relationship. Both helps each other for a healthy life. So even diabetes, suppose somebody has a diabetes, the gut flora, if they have a good gut flora, even the sugars are under control. Even the hormone, insulin is a hormone that is secreted, controlled by the brain. So the gut flora and mental health even take care of your diseases, diabetes and everything. And somebody has a long some diseases, incurable diseases like ulcerative colitis, they get mental health, depressed, anxiety, irritated mood, they get all these things can happen. So gut and brain health or the mental health are interdependent. They work in a symbiotic way. So suppose you have a mental breakdown or mental issue, suppose anxiety, stress, depression, panic disorders, and also rule out the gut part. and those people have a gut issue, intestinal gastrointestinal issue, also rule out the mental part. Thank you.